In this video, you will see how to change font size in LibreOffice Writer. There are total 3 methods. First, you need to select the text using a mouse or a keyboard. Then right click on the text. Here you will see the option of character. Click on character option and you will see this window. Make sure you have clicked on the font tab. Next to the size, here you will see the current font size, which is 36 points, and you can see the preview. You can click on the drop down and select any size you want. For example, let's say 18, and you can see the preview. You can also type the number, for example 24, and then click on OK. Next, you can click on the properties button here and you will see the text properties. You will see the same font size option here. Just select the font size or enter it using your keyboard. In the third method, you can see the font size here, which is at present 15. You can also click on the drop down and then select the font size you want. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.